Hello, my name is Deb Gerber. I'm a certified public accountant with the Small Business Development Center located on the Idaho State University College of Business campus. The SBDC offers free consulting services to businesses who are just starting out, need financing, help with developing a business plan, web and graphic design, and of course accounting and taxes, which is what I do. So today I wanted to talk to you about tax tips for your 2020 tax return on things that you should bring to your tax appointment. You should bring your Social Security number and your birth dates for all of the people that you are claiming and yourself and your spouse. You should bring a voided check that shows the routing number and the account number. If you have a refund coming, we want to be able to have you get that money as soon as possible, so direct deposit was the way to go. If you have people who drive, we would need copies of your current driver's license. To verify your income, you should bring in all of your W-2s, all of your 1099s, that's for interest, dividends, retirement, Social Security, non-employee compensation, royalties, rents. Basically, if it says tax document on it and it's a 1099, you should bring it in. If you have gambling winnings, you will get a W-2G. You should bring that in also. If you've sold some real estate or some investment property, you will get a 1099 for that as well. Other things you can deduct that are on the face of the return are if you're an educator, you can deduct up to $250 in the expenses that you incur to decorate your classroom or to provide supplies for the students in your class. If you have HSA contributions, tuition, books, fees, student loans, you should bring in those as well because those reduce the amount that we calculate to get to adjusted gross income. If you itemize, you should bring in copies of your contribution statements, your donations to charity, whether they're cash or in kind, your unreimbursed medical expenses, your mortgage interest, your real estate taxes, your property taxes, and any closing documents if you bought a house or you sold a house within the year. If you have a business, you should bring in the expenses to arrive at your income and your expense for all of your expenses by category. This works for farm, rental, and businesses, sole proprietorships, LLCs, and partnerships, as corporations and corporations. If you have children, you are eligible for a child tax credit, so the birth dates and the Social Security numbers are critical for that. If you have owed in prior years and you started making quarterly payments, you should bring in verification of your estimated payments for your federal and your state. Hopefully that works for you, and happy tax preparing.